Di ko sure eh, madami pang ibang ano eh.
Ano yung gusto mong anime of the year?
To be honest, Dan. For me, mas gusto ko yung genre niya. Anime of the year? One Piece! Wala sa choices.
Wala sa choices.
I'm not gonna lie, I have not watched
But you've heard so much about it. What have you heard about Free Rent?
because the plot of the story is very unique. I just love women empowerment.
Women empowerment.
Honestly, Free Ren. Despite being a super chill, non-action anime, a lot of people got into anime thinking, it showed people that anime can be more mature despite not being super action-packed. Like life lessons and stuff like that.
Free Rent. Okay, do you agree Solo Leveling should win Anime of the Year?
No.
What do you think is Anime of the Year? Free Rent. So why do you think Free Rent should be Anime of the Year?
Well, the adventure, it's like top tier. So I think it's the best anime of the year talaga siya.
Alright, we've got our winner. It's Free Rent.